of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha, would like to thank all of you for writing in your comments and suggestions on our YouTube and Spotify channels and liking, sharing, and subscribing the channels. Today, we are going to request Goyal sir for another pearl from his Saral Jyotish repertoire. Sir, aapka pranam, sir. Warm welcome. Sir, another pearl from you today?
Yeah. Last time I think we did second house.
Right, sir.
And there are other important houses also. But since we have started on the Earth Trikon, so I will take the next Earth Trikon, that is sixth house.
Right, sir.
Otherwise, people will say, you must take ninth house first.
Yes.
But let me continue with sixth house, because Parashar has given lot of importance to sixth house, in spite of the fact that he has termed sixth house as a Trik house, as a Trishadai house, as a Viparit house, also as a Upche house.
Right, sir.
So sixth house is taking part in so many divisions.
Right, sir.
But the most important point which I will like to convey, that sixth house is 10th from 9th. That is the karmas of Bhagya.
Right, sir.
And 9th from 10th.
Right,
The
sir.
Bhagya of karma.
Right,
So your Bhagya and karma both are controlled or are having sixth house at their center.
right, sir.
Both are connected with that.
Yes.
Secondly, I call it as the house of sadhana, the determination. Sadhana. You do sadhana when you pray to the Lord. That is also called sadhana.
Right, sir.
And whatever factor sixth house represents, they need some sort of sadhana.
Right, sir.
You fall ill, you
Right.
have to make determined effort
Yes.
to get cured. You are under debt, again your determination, sadhana comes. You face an enemy, again your determination is important. How determined you are to fight. So these are the few things one must remember. Then Parasharji has given some great exceptions. People read Brihad Parashar,
Right.
but they ignore it. I have covered this topic in my Saral Jyotish also. Great exception of Parashar.
Yes.
I think it is in volume 1.
Sir, you've also said about this exception many a times in many a classes, and even online you have gone about and said this.
What it says, any debilitated planet in sixth house will behave as a Rajyoga. Or sixth lord in debilitation will give a Rajyoga. Because you call it a Trik house, Trishadai house, so, and a Viparit house. Reverse. So its lord or the planet which comes there is to be beaten thoroughly. So that it does not give bad effect.
Yes, sir.
So you dig a hole in the earth, put him there, throw a lot of dust on it,
malefic aspects,
malefic aspect, and beat him. then he will give good results.
Right, sir.
Okay, so that is the greatness of sixth house, and people are afraid of that. We should not be. In one of our lectures, we must have said that I am talking Upchaya now, that any Upchaya lord placed in another Upchaya will give good results,
Yes, sir.
especially if it is in 10th house. 10th is the pillar of Upchaya.
Yes.
So
Right.
this is the importance of sixth house. Remember, it is ninth from 10th and 10th from ninth.
So when you say 9th from 10th, that means it is the bhagya of our work. That means
No, no. How you shape your bhagya through your work.
work. Okay.
And ninth from 10th, how you shape your profession or karmas with the help of bhagya,
Okay.
with the help of luck factor.
So they're interlinked. The more you work, the luckier you get, kind of a thing.
Yes, that is the relation of bhagya and karma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You cannot achieve one without the other.
Yes.
And linking them is the sixth house.
That's a beautiful one, sir. Sir, can we just take an example and probably see it through a dasha system and say that during this dasha, even if the sixth house is operative, it has a chance of giving
Yeah,
results.
in many dasha systems, if you find that 6, 8, 12 dasha is on, you get afraid. Something bad is going to happen. But our Yogini dasha, it moves with one dasha to other.
Right, sir.
It moves in the nakshatra lord.
Right, sir.
I can show it on Yogini dasha application. You can
Okay,
take a chart.
right, sir. So we have this chart of a young boy, somewhere around 17, 18 years of age, and his moon nakshatra is Uttarashada. If we take the Yogini Dasha progression, then his current
Current
Dasha
is
is
Ulka,
Ulka of Revati.
Ulka of Revati.
Right, sir.
Right? Now you make Revati as the Lagna.
Right, sir.
First, let us see the basic chart.
Right, sir.
Now you see the sixth lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 6th.
So as you said, it's a good thing.
Two Upchaya houses
Interchange.
or two Trishadaya houses.
Interchange.
There is no Upchaya here,
Yeah.
but Trishadaya exchanging house gives good results.
Right, sir.
Okay. Now here we make sixth house Pisces as Lagna.
And sir, it also has a debilitated Mercury there.
Debilitated Mercury,
Yes.
that is a Rajयोग, Parashara
That's
Rajयोग.
right, sir.
Now I make Pisces as a Lagna and check 10th house.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
10th house is aspected by Jupiter, its own lord, which is giving good results.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who is Mercury, the nakshatra lord? Is the 12th lord and 9th lord. Long journey,
Yes.
displacement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this boy is
And
going
so for
to,
this chart, it becomes the fourth lord of education and seventh house of also seventh lord of higher education also.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So he is going to USA on Monday for his degree in engineering from Duke College of Engineering, which is the best engineering college in the world. It's difficult even to get admission there. And he is one of the two boys who are selected from Delhi. Okay. So this is the way we see. Sixth house is not giving bad results.
Right, sir. So we
It is not giving bad results.
We can clearly say that the sixth house at times is a fulcrum for a lot of our activities in our life.
Lot of activities. Bhagya and profit.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir, for these beautiful.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Do write in and let us know how it has worked in your chart. We will be waiting for your suggestions and comments. Thank you. बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आपको वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहे। हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, उन पर कमेंट करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।